Let's look at final exam question number 67 in Trigonometry Demystified, second edition. Please refer to page 381 and figure exam-8 at the top of that page. In this scenario, the question starts out, suppose that angle theta P measures 90 degrees. That would be this angle. In this drawing, it looks like it's just a little bit more than 90 degrees, but let's suppose, for the sake of argument, that it is 90 degrees. Now, we stretch this triangle out by making this side, Q, longer and longer and longer and longer. Okay, but we keep that angle, theta P, as a 90-degree angle. Of course, as we carry out this operation, side P must also grow longer. That's this side. It'll grow longer and longer out that way. Side P must also grow longer, and the angle theta Q must grow larger. This angle must grow larger because side Q grows longer. However, no matter how long we make side Q, whether we make it twice as long, 3 times, 100 times, or an octillion times as long, no matter how long we make side Q, if we want the triangle to remain closed, that is, to really be a triangle, a geometric triangle, then that angle, theta Q, must always remain smaller than what? Well, this angle is 90 degrees, so this angle will always have to remain smaller than 90 degrees. If it were to actually reach 90 degrees, we would no longer have a triangle. Remember, the sum of the angle measures in a triangle always equals 180 degrees. So if this one gets up to be 90 degrees, that one will end up having to be 0, and what we'll have is not a triangle, but a line going like this, side R, and then sides Q and P will be parallel rays that extend off into infinity and never intersect. That will make them, this whole figure, no longer a triangle. So this angle must remain smaller, strictly smaller than 90 degrees. Well, all of our answers are given in radians, but choice E, pi over 2 radians, is 90 degrees. So that is the correct answer to this question, choice E. If we stretch that triangle out like that, this angle here will always remain strictly smaller than pi over 2 radians. Otherwise, we don't have a triangle anymore.